Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase alarm volume in iPhone. First, navigate to your iPhone settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find the Ringer and Alerts slider. Drag it to the right to increase the volume. Also, make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is enabled. This allows you to adjust alarm volume using the physical side buttons. Finally, test your alarm to ensure it's at your desired loudness. Beyond the main volume, your choice of alarm sound significantly impacts its perceived loudness. In the Clock app, when editing an alarm, tap Sound and browse the available tones. Some sounds are inherently louder and more attention-grabbing than others. Experiment to find one that works best for you. Remember to avoid selecting None as your alarm sound, as this will result in no audible alert at all. If your alarm still seems quiet, let's troubleshoot. Check your Do Not Disturb settings. Ensure it's not set to silence alarms. Sometimes, dust or lint can obstruct your iPhone speakers, so gently clean the grills. A simple restart of your iPhone can also resolve minor software glitches that might be affecting sound output. These steps often fix unexpected volume problems. For maximum alarm effectiveness, try placing your iPhone face down on a hard, flat surface like a nightstand. This can help amplify the sound. For truly powerful alerts, consider connecting your iPhone to a Bluetooth speaker. This provides a much louder and clearer sound experience. And speaking of reading, if you love books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.